Hello viewers, welcome to Creative Machine Video Tutorial. We are presenting you web programming, which one is very important in the modern civilization. For this project, for this work, we need to use PHP scripting language, which one is just like will work just like a programming language. So PHP is server-side scripting language. PHP is a powerful tool. It is a powerful tool to make for making dynamic and interactive web pages. So we need to know this PHP scripting language very smartly. We require for this project web server, Apache, PHP scripting language, and database also, and text editing program to write the code to the team over or Notepad++ or NetBeans web browser. The structure of PHP operation. The operation trial is browser will call the page by PHP, find PHP, then hello PHP, the page, and PHP page will process PHP process, which one is in PHP engine. PHP process also collect the data from database here. Then he prepare this and good transfer this in the HTML page, return HTML, and it will go to the browser. Then can see the what's the page, web page. This is the process of PHP programming. Another one you can say this on the PHP we need to Apache. To download this Apache, you can go to the http apache.org. PHP for PHP, you can go to the php.net website and MySQL and mysql.com. Okay, we'll discuss sample statement for beginner. This tutorial is only for the software engineering department students who want to develop their software or web page. Sorry, PHP if else statement, conditional conditional statement. Very often when you write code, you want to perform different actions or different decision, you can use conditional statement in your code to do this. In PHP, we have the following condition statement. It's a if statement. Now I'm going to make you understand. If a statement, if else statement, and if else statement, and switch statement. First of all, we will discuss if statement. If statement, use this statement to execute some code only if the specific condition is true. Specific condition is true, then it will execute your result. If else statement, use this statement to execute some code if else condition is true and another condition if the condition is false. If else statement, they use this statement to select one of several blocks of code to be executed. Choose a statement, use this statement to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. The if statement, use the statement execute some code only if a specific condition is true. Syntax if then condition then code to be executed here if condition is true. The following example will output: have a nice weekend if the current day is Friday. Current day is Friday, then it will show have a nice weekend. we'll do is in a PHP base. That is a PHP base and HTML body and body HTML. Note that there is no as in this syntax. The code is executed only if the specific condition is true. Let's start this, and I'm using Notepad++ for beginner. The HTML for beginning and body. Body close. This HTML tag is very important. You can do is without this HTML tag. HTML. Okay, the closing tag of HTML and body is closed. Here we can use head, but that is no important for PHP. For that reason, we are building it for beginning tutorial. Now I'm writing here. I'm over here. For PHP script language, you must start this as a block area with PHP and adding PHP block area. In this area, you can write your code for apply, and go to the code area. Then first of all, you need to apply this block area. Then in this block area, you can apply your code here or type your code. If then a statement. Beginning of this code, you must apply a variable date function. Okay, closing. Semicolon is very important here. Is the closing of this line code execution. Date. Okay, for D. This is the variable. Date function is available in the PHP engine. PHP engine has a lot of library, which one you can say is the library. The date function is and the library function. This is a library function. And then you can write it here as a D. $D is a variable. D is as Friday. Then it will execute the Friday. Friday. We code the heaven. Oh yeah, nice. We can $D equal to double quotation. You can run Friday, then equal semicolon. If this variable have Friday equal to Friday, then it will show nice weekend. Have a nice weekend. Okay. If it is its variable below is Friday and today is also Friday, then it will show it. But today is not a Friday, it is a Tuesday, so it won't show this execution. Go to the browser. I'm using browser Google Chrome, and you must type localhost. There's a PHP tutorial is a folder, and it has a PHP state PHP. This is my page. I must browse here. Okay, not running. If I type it Tuesday, then it will show it is have a nice weekend a day. Okay, go to the browsing area and go to the news. Refresh. Yes, have a nice day. So it is very clear, very proved that this variable equal to Tuesday, and if today is Tuesday, then it will show have a nice day. The execution is execute or show when this variable equal to this value, then it will execute. So I think you have good idea about this if else statement. Next time we will discuss code igniter framework.